on the planet which always floats. Hello everyone, I'm Duddley.
Hello everyone, I'm Bonnie.
And today we are going to do science.
Science will make us shine.
This science experiment is called Float and Sing. But this is not just another video of float and sing. Today we are going to tell you the real reason behind it. There are two golden rules. The objects that have air trapped in it always float, and the objects which does not have air trapped in it always sinks. So now let's do deep dive into the practical. Are you excited? I'm excited. Please like, share and subscribe my video till watching till end. Bunny, let's pour the water in tumbler. I'm feeling excited, Bunny.
Yes.
Yay! I finished it first. Bunny, will this sink or float?
It will sink.
3, 2, 1, drop. It is floating. Do you know the reason behind?
No, I don't know the reason behind it.
The reason is the air is trapped into its peel because there are holes, as you can see over here. Now let's try and peel the orange. 3, 2, 1, go. Wait. Will this sink or float?
Sink.
3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, it sinks because it has no air trapped in it. Now, let's try something another. We have grapes over here.
Will it sink or float?
I think it will sink.
Okay, let's drop it.
3, 2, 1, go. It sunk because it has no air trapped in it. That's why it sunk. Now let's try a ball. Will this sink or float, Bunny?
It will float.
Let's see it. Yeah, it is floating. But if I cannot show you the ball, I cannot cut it. But if you cut the ball, you'll see many holes in it that has air trapped in it. That's why it's float. Friends, it is not about weight. It's all about air trapped. Now let's try something more interesting. A bottle.
Will it sink or float?
I think it will float.
Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go.
It is floating, but it can also sink because when we push a little bit in the water, the bubbles came out, it replaces with the air and then it sinks, as you can see. Now let's try something another, a little bit more interesting. A lotus. Oh, this lotus is floating. Do you know why? Because the air is trapped inside its petal. That's why it is floating. Now let's try the exceptions. The exceptions are oil, ice, and the wood. Do you know why this is called exceptions? It has no air trapped in it, but it always floats. Let's try it. Bunny, can you take this foot and pour it in the water?
Will it float or sink?
I think it will float.
3, 2, 1, go.
This is why it is called exception, because it has no air trapped in it, but still it floats. Now let's try an ice. Oh, cold. Now let's put it. Yeah, as you can see, it is floating because it is an exception and it is always float because it has no air trapped in it, but it always floats. Now, let's try your car.
Will it float or sink?
I think it will sink. This is not about weight. I think it was heavy, but it was not just about weight. The windows were open, so the bubbles got through in it, and the air replaced with water. That's why it sunk. Now let's try the third exception, the last exception, wood. See, it is floating. As I told you, it is not about weight. Now let's try apple. Will this sink or float, Bunny?
It will sink.
Let's try it. It floated. Do you know why?
No.
Do you all know why? Because the crunchy sound when we eat is the proof of the air trapped in it. Now let's try a bangle. Do you think it will sink or float?
Do you think it will sink or float?
I think it will sink. Let's see it. Yeah, I told you because it has no air trapped in it. And the last object, a coin. Friends, what do you think? Will it sink or float? The last question to you all. It will sink. Let's see it.
Yes,
Because it has no
sink.
air trapped in it. Let's do the recap of the signs. Less strong, less dense, always floats. And more strong, more dense, always sinks. That's why the ship always floats, because it has air trapped in it. And there are only 4 things on the planet which always floats: air trap, ice, oil, and wood. Now let's do it for the last time. Camel is made of wood, and we talked about the 4 things. Now let's drop it. Yes, it is floating. Now let's play with these. Funny. It is sink or float?
It will float.
Yeah, you were right. And we have a bottle. And it has song. And it's between the water because it is a little bit tilted. Now let's put it. Now you can see the bubbles. It is air that replaced with the water. So now, thank you for watching till the end. And if you are doing wrong, don't be embarrassed. There are 3 things we'll always have to do: try, fail, learn, try again. This is all. This was the life lesson in this video. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye-bye and meet you in the next video with more interesting experiment.
We think